Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to explore another useful extension that improves the user experience of your directory listing, the Directories Business Hour extension. With this extension, you can display a business opening and closing time, show real-time open or close status, and even handle overnight business hours. This is useful for directories listings, restaurant, clinic, shops, gyms, and other service-based businesses. So in this video, I'll show you how to install, configure, and use the Business Hour extension in directories. Let's get started. Either select the install extension and click activate, then apply, or go to the plugin section and click activate from here. Now go to directory listings, settings, then extension general, and toggle on business hours. You will find the business hour settings here. So you can customize everything from open and close badges text to choosing a 12-hour or 24-hour format, setting your time type, and even adjusting badges color. Now let's add business hours to a directory. Go to Directory Builder, add listing form, and drag the business hour field to your desired spot. Next, go to single page layout and then to contents, where you can drag the business hours block into a desired position. Now in the all listing layout, click the plus icon and add the open or close element where you want the status badge to appear. And finally, in the search from, add the business hour field to either the basic or advanced to allow user to filter for currently open listing. Want to display hours in the sidebar? Simply go to the appearance widget, click the plus icon, search for business hours, and add it to the directorist right sidebar. Now follow these steps to configure and customize the working hours for your listings. From the left side menu bar of directory listings, click add new listing or edit any existing listing and ensure the business hour option is active. You can then choose 24/7 service or set custom hours for each day, add multiple time slots or even overnight shifts like 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. The extension handles it seamlessly. Once set up, your visitor will see business hours in real time in the single listing page view, all listing page view, and the sidebar widget view. And that's how you use the Directories Business Hour extension. By displaying accurate opening hours and real-time information, you make your directory more helpful and informative for visitors. The small feature can significantly improve the user experience, specifically for directories that list local businesses and services. In the next lecture, we'll continue exploring more directories extensions that help you build a fully functional directory website. See you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.